Hello guys, we are from 10 Size 1.
We just want to perform our conversation.
Enjoy!
I want you out of my bedroom tonight. There's no way I can save you, cause I need to be saved too. I'm no good at goodbyes. We're both acting insane, but too stubborn to change. Now I'm drinking again, 80 proof in my veins, and my fingertips stained. Looking over the ash, don't fuck with me tonight. Say you needed this hard, then you got it. Turn this out.
Hi Afla, you came so fast this morning. Why?
It's because I have test today.
Is-
Yes, is it? I heard you have won basketball competition. Is that true?
Yes, I win it.
Where's the place that basketball competition held?
That competition held in street place.
You got the first place?
No, I haven't. I got second place.
Even in the second place, you're amazing, bro.
Thanks, bro. Can I have the teachment?
Yes, you can. Thanks.
Hi Afla, you look so sad. Why?
Hello, Dimas. Today is announcement day. I'm not confident yesterday.
You must believe that yourself, Afla.
Wow, I got the first place. I must tell Dimas right now. Hello Dimas, I'm so happy right now because I got the first place at my test. Thanks for teaching me, bro. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And I hope we get a better score from this. Thank you for watching.